Ripwreck. Let me show you a simple custom I did on a no name. Well, it's not a no name. Yes. I replaced the wheels and I used spotwheel wheels because they look very close to, funnily enough, forklift. I want something a little more realistic. Oh. I think it suited. Maybe we'll put the frothing V8 on it again. Yeah. Well, I gotta have fun with these, man. So, yeah. That's what I love about customizing. I'm making the way I want them. I got another one like that. Oh, that's a C price for later. I'll hold the C price anyway. To sending a person something. And again, not that anybody can. My health doesn't get the better of me. Because I think, I know pretty sure that they overlooked another thing. And it was actual, I had to shorten and make new axles for it. Something I like to do when it comes to, maybe I'll do a quick tutorial on how I modify some of the mags or use other axles. I'm going to do a bit there on Ripwreck Raceway, bits and tips.